Hello again, everybody. Welcome back. Today's Y Guys Farm is going to be a little bit different. This is episode 10. This one's going to be a little bit different because I want to go over my garden plan with you guys. Take a look at this and tell me what you think. This is bed number 1. These are the seeds that we planted in episode 9. That's in this area right here. And here we have the radish and the carrots. I just noticed that this is actually incorrect, 32. It should be 16 in each square, so 16 times 4 should be 64, not 32. So these actually should be 64 radish, 64 carrots. The romaine lettuce, that's right, we had 4, 4, 4, and 4. The salad bowl lettuce, same, 4, 4, 4, and 4. And the spinach was 9, 9, 9, and 9. Our future plans, you can see the dates I'm going to plant these. So this is going to be this afternoon, actually. I'm going to plant some more baby leaf spinach here. And then next weekend, we're going to do some more radish, more carrots, more spinach, lettuce. And then the middle of May, now we're going to go to the things I'm really looking forward to, which would be the squash and the tomatoes. We're going to do those in the middle of May. We're going to have some green squash. We have all the packets right over here. So here you have the yellow squash. That's what we're going to plant here. We're going to plant it's called Black Beauty squash. We're going to plant those here, and those take 1 plant per square foot, so we'll only be able to get 4 of those per row. We're going to have some jalapeno peppers here. We'll have the bell peppers here. They're multicolored, so I don't know what we're going to end up with on those. It's going to be kind of random. And then I'm looking forward to the green beans. And then, of course, my favorite, the tomatoes here. So take a look at the plan. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Tell me what you think. And let's go check out what the garden looks like today. See you in a minute. Okay, we are a week from when we planted these seeds, and it looks like we may have our first little sprouts. I think they are the radish seeds. I picked out several pieces of grass and some weeds and stuff, but I think we might actually have our first sprouts, so that would be good news. And today we're going to plant some more spinach right up here. We're going to do that right now. Let's take a look at these little sprouts. I think that they might be radish. I hope they are. What do you guys think? Comment below. I'm not really sure. And in addition, let's take a look at what's coming up next week. On Wednesday is Ohio Gardening Day. So make sure we do some gardening on Wednesday, and hopefully we'll have another edition of Y Guys Farm by Wednesday to celebrate Ohio Gardening Day. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. See ya.